As humans, we tend to believe a lot of fancy, crazy stuff. Our brain is not too much. Innovation is rare. AI is going to solve everything.
What the hell does a criminologist do with a hard rock t-shirt on stage?
Hell yeah! Okay.
Innovation once in a lifetime. This is bullshit.
We need other behavioral patterns. We need the energy of those four to make change happen.
Feeling good!
Are we ready, Riga? Are we ready, Riga? Okay, good.
Safe mode. It only works with computers.
Innovation, people, most of the time, is making two worlds who were not connected to each other meet.